Hello and welcome to your ClickUp training. You are probably seeing me on your screen because you or your company decided to use my Ask Yvi ClickUp onboarding template and training to help you get the foundation of ClickUp done and have a strong understanding of how things work in ClickUp. Now, this is a quick walkthrough to show you how everything is set up and how to use it. This template specifically is a folder template for each team member. So if you already see your name, this is your home space. This is your personal folder where in these trainings you can't break anything, go knock yourself out, and really feel comfortable in getting used to using ClickUp. This is your space. You'll have right here the Getting Started section, which houses the specific ClickUp training. You're probably watching the welcome video right now. And as you click through, you will notice everything is set up to guide you through learning the foundation of ClickUp step by step without having to figure things out on your own. All of these videos right here are as short as possible. Yes, some of them might be 5 minutes or even 10 minutes because we don't just show you how, we also explain the why. We, however, also want to ensure you are not spending hours and hours on training and you have to watch through an hour-long training just to be able to know how to do this one thing. So we really balanced it as much as possible between explaining the why and showing you the how. So with this training being laid out in nicely step-by-step trainings, you can go through this and jump in also wherever you specifically need to learn something. As you go through this, I recommend having ClickUp open alongside so you can follow along. Yes, you can have ClickUp open in 2 different tabs and work side by side. Click through things and see how it all connects. And even if you have used ClickUp before, I still recommend going through these trainings. Most people, and pretty much every one of my clients, even if they have used ClickUp for years, has missed small things, me included. ClickUp is always running new updates and releasing new features. So make sure when you are in here, you really do watch it. And to make life even easier, you have an overview tab with additional bookmarks and a simple sorted dashboard that will help you walk through it. So let's jump right in and ensure you have ClickUp's foundation done, and we'll get you all set up.